This is the first yearly and annual Lego Airshow of the year. This is the first Airshow we've done. Everything here is made out of Legos. Except for the skateboard. They're on the skateboard. See? Yeah, Tony Hawk. Tony Hawk is a skateboard. Okay, the first airplane flying today is Tomcat. This was featured in the Top Gun movie. I'm going to sing the song. Top Gun. Okay. No, 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 your turn to fly. Okay. The first airplane we're flying today is this airplane. The fastest airplane. Yeah. This fastest airplane in the wide world, and this is in Top Gun. Ready? I'll do it. No, that's not that. No, burn it. Just go with it. I'm going to put it up in the... You're wasting video. Remember 2 times. Okay, this airplane was inspired by me from a race car with wings. I don't know why I had that, but it actually is a pretty fast airplane. It can reach speeds of Mach 2, which is the same speed as the Top Gun, the first airplane that was flown here. And now I'm flying the second fastest airplane we have here. I don't really have a name for it, but I think it's kind of cool. Because that's mine. I don't want to try it, actually. Oh yeah, see, I'm going to try it. Don't worry. That was just to get some air, because it warms up. It gets overheated if it doesn't do that. Boom!
What was that?
What?
What was that?
The boom? That was Sean's boom. Okay, Brandon, your turn to fly. You fly this here. Right now we're flying, next airplane we're flying today, and Star Wars. Actually, my inspiration for this airplane was not Star Wars. It was actually Johnny Test. Okay, put it your guide. 1 second, I got to turn my guide.
You're running low on video.
I know. I'm telling Brennan to hurry up. Don't do that. You have to lay him back. What's that for? What is that? Yeah. Take it off. Take it off. Take off. We're cutting it down to one trip around the airport. Do something soon. Come on. Now you crash. Crash.
Uh-oh.
Beep. Beep. You weren't supposed to do that.
Okay, guys, running low on video. Maybe it's time to wrap it up and conclude your air show.
Okay. We might have a second video sometime else, but this is the end of today's air show. There might be some next airplane that we play today. No, we didn't even play this one.
Wave, Brennan.
We didn't even play this one.
Wave.
No, but just wave. No, I want to play that one too.
Thank your audience, Brennan.
I want to play that one. We'll do it in a second. We'll have to have 2 parts. Okay. That's end of this air show.